This is Faye Juice back again with another video. I know it's been a while. This is Coffee Cat. I did this on my iPad Pro, on Procreate, and I think it worked out quite well. It's been a while since I've made a video because I've been going through a lot in my personal life, but I'm back and I would like to thank you all for supporting me and being there for me, and this is my way of saying thank you, so thank you very much. And so I sketched out the coffee cat at first and then went over in ink, the ink brush. Fairly easy, no nonsense business. Like, the coffee cat looks like quite a no nonsense cat. But I'll be back in the future with more videos, so stay tuned, and I hope that my videos will be a bit more regular and more entertaining in the future. I wanted the colour of the cat to match the coffee, and I liked his little dressing gown. I think every coffee cat needs a dressing gown, because yeah. And there are some bunny slippers, which are the best. I wish I had some bunny foot slippers. So thank you, and Faye Juice out. Enjoy the rest of the video. Bye bye.
So can we just waste another day? Eyes on my display.